Brr. Brr. I'm gonna try and imitate it, see if I can get one scene. Brr. 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 I really do not like the sound of that. I don't think I've ever had a bird. It's definitely got to be a bird. But I don't think I've ever heard a bird make that sound before. Hold on. Got some tension. Okay, obviously I have no idea what's in here, but it is creeping me out a little because it is kind of creeping me out a little, really, because I don't know what's in there and is it a bird, a vicious bird or a friendly bird? But it's definitely got to be a bird, judging by the sound. Sounds almost like a dodo, but the dodos are extinct. Brr, 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 brr. I wish I had a drone. I'm guessing this is to keep them in.